Are we live? Hello. Let's wait until everyone is notified. Okay, we are live. Hi everyone. So as you all know, if you're following our page, we have a Rakhi pop-up that is happening at the studio today and tomorrow. I'm just going to quickly show you some beautiful people and their homegrown brands, and these are all purely handmade things that you will see in the video. So make sure you take screenshots of pieces that you like, or if you everybody is going to be describing their own brands and products that they have. I will be tagging all the brands in the caption below. I will be saving the live, so you can always follow them, or directly inquire to them about their products. So let's start. I'm going to go upstairs and we are going to get started with the brands. So, okay, flipping the camera. The first one here is Priyal. She will introduce her brand to you all.
Hello everyone. So my brand name is Funk Eco. It is mostly a funk and eco sustainability. So we have this tote bag. It's a hand block print. Also it has a chain with a pocket.
Beautiful bag, huh? Priyal, beautiful. So what is the fabric? What is the fabric?
It's a cotton, mull cotton.
Wow, very nice. So beautiful. So how many types of prints do you have in these bags?
In this bag we have 4 prints.
Oh,
You can
nice.
see here.
Oh, wow.
Also,
Lovely. I love how spacious these bags are, and you can use it for your vacations or your daily casual.
Also we have the unisex shorts.
Wow.
Also in this we have this patch which I have also worn.
Nice. So nice and vibrant. The prints, the colors.
Comfortable and sustainable fashion. So I
Superb.
have just done the new collection which is of skirts, long skirt. You can wear as a cute tops also.
Oh, wow. Very nice.
And also we have this bandanas, cotton bandanas.
Lovely. Very nice. Superb. So how is your price range like, Priyal?
It's
Tell me the price range of your bags, and do you also customize according to sizes that people will need?
yes. The bags range between 500 to 999, and also the shirt. All shirts are for 999. Depend upon the customization.
Okay.
And the minimum range and maximum range is 999 to 2500.
Superb. Thank you,
Also, we
Priyal.
have the resin art trackers.
Oh,
for the
okay.
Raksha
You
Bandhan.
missed that. Oh, wow.
We can customize this Rakhi as per the name. Also, we
Nice.
have this bracelet Rakhis.
Oh, lovely. So beautiful. So beautiful.
Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you, Priyal. We will be tagging Priyal's private as well as Funkiko account on our caption. Meet Nidhi and Samiksha. They are doing press-on nails and also gel nail art for 2 days today, and we have special offers from Nidhi for this Rakhi. So I'm going to tag her. You can contact her directly, or you can also leave a message on our page, Aniha, for booking your appointments. Okay, now coming to the products. Oh my god, lovely. I love the colors. I'm loving the art. I'm loving how minimal. Oh, I love this evil eye set of nails. Somebody who likes neutral but still, you know, some art.
Just kept it basic.
Lovely. Okay. Nice. Would you like to tell us your price ranges for the set? How do you customize it? If you customize it according to the sizes of the people, if they need sizes.
Yeah, so whoever is just visiting the exhibition, they can come over the stall, we'll take their sizes and we'll be preparing the sets personalized for them of their
Oh,
sizes and giving
super.
it to them in 2-3 days probably.
Okay, and how quick is it for application as per like?
Just 10 minutes and you are done
Oh,
with your
nice. So you don't have to like spend 2 hours
hours.
to get your nails or art done. It's just a 10-minute job. If you are also traveling and you still want to prep your nails up and make
And
them
we'll
look
be teaching
pretty.
that how you can just apply them and they can just stay for a longer time.
Oh, super. So Nidhi is also taking workshops for press-on nails, how you can apply them and how they stay for a very long time. So, you don't need to worry about if they chip off or, if you do anything. So, quite sustainable, very nice. Love the products. You can place your orders online or you can also visit our pop-up. You can always visit the store. Nidhi is always here to help you and get you sorted with all your nail
Always.
things. Okay, thank you. Okay, next up we have Mayfair bags. This is Harshita. Harshita is displaying her bag collection today here. So Harshita, tell us about your bags and what all types of bags do you have? How are they? How differently you can style them.
So these are all handcrafted bags. We have our manufacturing. We have our own manufacturing unit, and we do manufacture there. And these are all our items. These are all our stuff, and we do even customize stuffs like these. These are our waste bags. And
Wow.
These are our hot selling products right now.
Lovely, so beautiful. So this is like pure leather, good quality leather.
No, it's not a pure leather. It's a vegan leather.
Okay.
So nowadays, no one uses a pure leather much, but they go and prefer for synthetic leathers.
Oh.
And these are also our bags. These are our tote bags. It's a good khadi jute fabric, and we
wow.
can also put our initial year, whatever you want.
Okay,
to
customize according to their names. Okay, wow,
And
nice.
our USPs are our bags are very light in weight.
Okay.
So it's preferable for old ladies and anybody
Oh.
who want. Even the duffel is also very much light in weight.
Yeah,
And
very
a lot of
nice.
stuff can accommodate in that.
Very nice. I love the duffels. I love the colors. I love how spacious they are and still, very basic but still look so rich. Lovely, very nice. Great collection, Harshita.
Thank you.
Okay, coming up next, meet Shruti. She's going to explain her brand and all her products, lovely products that she has here.
Yes. Hi, my name is Shruti. My brand's name is Earthy Decor.
Okay.
And we are mainly into fiber arts and macrame art. So this is my collection. These are few wall hangings.
Okay. Wow, I love the
lamp.
beads one. I love the lamp.
Then we have coasters, placemats,
Okay.
and keychains. Keychains, or you can use it as bag charms as well.
Nice.
And there are a few more wall hanging there. That side.
Okay. Sejal, the name of the bags brand is Mayfair Bags. I will be tagging Harshita and the brand name. You can directly follow up with her. It's Mayfair Bags. Harshita, can I have your card, please? Please take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot, Sejal, for the bags. Okay. Okay, continuing with Shruti. Sorry.
Yes, that's it. We also take customized orders. If,
Okay.
Like by the size, or if you need any specific color, we can make the art in that.
Superb, lovely. I love the products. You can use them as home decor. You can have them in your cafes or your workplaces. I personally love bohemian stuff, and this is something that I'm really picking up. This is the lamp that I'm really picking up. She will also take customization orders. You can get your own designs and she will make them for you. and her work is quite neat and very beautiful. Thank you, Shruti. Hi, Khushbu. What are you displaying today?
So we have crochet products today. So
Okay.
everything is completely crochet, 100% crochet.
Okay,
And
wow.
starting from our Rakhi collection, so which is our festive hot cake.
Yes.
We've got keychains, we've got friendship bands. These friendship bands are being made by my kids. So this is actually the star product for today.
So cute.
Then we've got Rakhis.
Lovely.
The Rakhi range starts from 50 to 300 onwards. Then we have these mini wallets. So y'all can use this
like
for
coin
giving,
purses
yeah,
or
coin
just-
purses. You can also use this for giving money. तो राखी में जब हम पैसे देते हैं किसी
yeah.
को, you can use it for that as well.
Such a nice idea. And crochet Rakhis are so unique and they are purely handmade.
We've got teddy bears for kids,
So
giraffe, tiger, Spider-Man.
Very
Then we've
cute.
got the simple one for adults. We also have a lot of color options.
Wow. Very, very cute, Khushbu. I love the stuff. And crochet is like an all-time thing. It's not getting old. It's just, and it's so in now. It's so in. In my, for the Aniha boutique also, the pieces that we have are so much, you know, abhi sara crochet work aa raha hai market mein. Great. Very nice. Love your
We
products.
also have these DIY kits. So these are for anyone who wants to learn to crochet and you know they have that fear कि नहीं कर पा रहे बहुत difficult होगा. So you need not worry. We give you all the material and we also give you tutorials where you learn crochet at your own speed.
Wow.
This kit is specially a very beginner friendly, especially for kids. So basically you will be able to design and make a tortoise like this.
Oh, wow. Is it?
Yes, even a 7-8-year-old child can also do this.
Lovely. It's such a great activity. You can also like hold workshops too for
Yes,
kids.
We do take workshops. We recently did Rakhi workshops. I also teach crochet. So
Okay.
regarding like with crochet, there are endless things that you can do.
Wow, I love it. The toys also, oh my god, they look so cute. And this is something so unique that I am myself seeing for the first time. And so colorful and nice. Okay, Khushbu, somebody is asking for the coin purse. Can I get your card? Or
I do not have a card,
you can just take a screenshot
or you can take a
and
screenshot
you
of
can
this.
find
It
her
has my
on
contact here.
Instagram, and she also has her contact number here. Madhuri, you can take a screenshot. Okay, Khushbu, thank you. Thank you and all the best. You have great products, very colorful products. I love them. Hi, Ruchita. So, Ruchita is displaying beautiful charms and rakhis today. I already booked mine. Okay, tell us about what is.
So we are into a Rakhis now. We customize Rakhis for ladies and gents too. You
Okay.
can see over here. We have initial Rakhis
Oh, wow.
and these are all watch charms.
Lovely.
We can customize it.
Okay, so you can also hang this for your phones or your watches, handbags. Oh,
Yes,
so
yes.
nice and dainty. Lovely, lovely.
We have bracelets also.
Okay,
So we
wow.
can customize according to the requirements.
Okay, all these can be customized according to your requirements. You can change the charms, you can change the initials, whatever, however you like them. Oh, guys, this is a great option. These are the customization charms and initials that she has, and she will make it right in front of your eyes and give it to you. This is so nice for a nice dainty gift with Rakhi. Lovely, very nice, Ruchita. Love it. All the best. Thank you. Hi, Anisha.
Hello.
Oh, hello. So, something that is super trending now in my hair industry as well as the fashion industry, which is bows over here. Oh my god, she has. I did not know there were so many types of bows that can be made, and these are all handmade bows. Everything you have here, something for everybody. I think from ladies to kids, little girls. Oh my god, you can attach them to your shirts, to your bags. Okay,
Hello.
Anisha will tell you
My
more.
brand name is the Bow Vogue.
We specialize in handmade hair bows. So we have for every occasion, party wear,
Wow.
vacations, casual, wedding. We have these one very trendy for weddings.
Amazing.
Yes.
Amazing.
We
I love
customize
it.
as well according to our requirements.
I love this. So guys, if you all are looking at ordering these bows online or from websites,
We also have bow ties for boys.
oh wow,
We
this
customize
is so
this as
beautiful.
well. You can put a name on it, whatever color you like.
Oh, lovely. Nice. So Anisha is right here and I'm going to leave her Instagram handle. You can also take a screenshot if you want to know about her Instagram handle and her contact number. Please take a screenshot and you can order her bows from the page. You can also, she also customizes, so you can give your own designs and she will do a fab job, I'm so sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anisha.
Thank you.
All the best. Hi, Deshna.
Hi.
So Deshna is displaying her creative crochet stuff today. This is so cute. This is a cute skirt and a bikini top set with a headband here. She can customize this according to your sizes. This is a beautiful tie-up top that she has with such a beautiful cutwork sleeve. I love it. I love the sleeve and I love the tie-up here. These are some nice singlet tank tops also that she makes in different colors. She'll make different colors for you. Oh wow, so pretty. So pretty. And she also has scrunchies. Lovely. She has so many colors in these scrunchies. You can you can also place orders according to your color preferences with her for your tops or anything else that you like. You can just, wow, I love the cap also. It's so pretty. Okay, this how can this be customized? How do you work? What is it?
We
Please
can
tell us.
place flower also, and we can make initials also of your name or anything else.
ओके वाओ. और ये सब जो है ये किड्स से लेके कितनी साइजेस तक बनता है? एनी साइजेस इज पॉसिबल. ओ लवली, नाइस, वेरी नाइस. So I will be also tagging Deshna and her account Loop by Loop on my caption. In my caption, you can also take a screenshot if you directly want to contact her. Thank you, Deshna.
Thank you.
Next, we have Karishma Gada.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, she has some beautiful clutch purses, coin purses. These are so pretty. Karishma will tell you more about these.
So we've basically given a trendy look for the coin purses.
Okay.
It's a granny's era where the coins are used.
Yeah,
in
it's so
these
vintage and
purses.
nice.
So we've just transformed the same concept in a different way. So we've given two
Okay.
chains. One you can team up with Indian outfits, like just dainty, and one you can team up with a western, the way I am carrying.
Lovely. So you provide like two chains
Yeah,
with this.
two
One
chains.
is like a short,
And a long
sling
one.
chain.
Yeah.
Nice.
And these are the new collections. These
Okay.
are sample pieces, and these are the new collections. We can
Okay.
customize the bags according to your outfit also, like according to your outfit with the work, and the
Oh.
material is provided by us. You just
Oh.
have to give the sample and then it will be done.
Nice. And how is the price range like? What
I
does?
sell it for 1,000, but just for the Aniha Rakhi season, I'm just giving it for 800.
Oh, nice. Thank you for the special prices for our followers.
And these are the new collections which have just launched.
Nice. So pretty. This is so pretty. Lovely. Superb, superb. Very
So these
nice.
also can be customized in any color you want.
Okay,
with
wow.
Any design. So this
Oh.
also we are taking in a time span of 15 to 20 days.
Oh, lovely. So the base color and the work, everything can be customized. Lovely. I love the pearl one also here. This is so pretty. Oh my god, look
These
at
are for
this.
flat 600 rupees right now.
So cute. This is so nice. I love it. Guys, this is so pretty for your trousseau, to add to your trousseau, or just to gift your sister for Rakhi. Love it. Love it, love it.
And basically, a lot of people ask me what exactly fits, so I have like.
Oh yeah,
card
because it's a
keys.
tiny purse and people will be
I
like,
have a headphone,
ooh.
like an AirPod, cash, and a
Wow.
lipstick. So you're good to go for any party.
Oh wow, yeah, nice. Super. So I'm going to be adding Karishma's card here. You can contact her and also follow her on her social media. Okay. You can take a screenshot and there is her contact number also over here on this card. Please take a screenshot if you like her stuff. You can get in touch with her. Thank you, Karishma.
Thank you.
And all the best.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. So we are here today and tomorrow, and we will be selling. These people are going to be selling their stuff, taking orders for these stuff, and you can also take your follow their pages and show them some love, because they are so purely handmade. They are homegrown brands, and your love and support will mean the world to them. Thank you so much for joining in. If it is possible for you, please come and visit us, meet us, know the stories behind their products, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.